Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, let us quickly create a new playlist. Let us log in to get started. From here, select the project under which you want to create your playlist. Then click the add icon and start filling in the details. Let us start with the name of the playlist. Then add a quick optional description. Next, there is an option to choose the project name. In case you want to change the project, you can do it from here. Then comes the tags. Tags are used to categorize playlists clearly. ReviewRoom provides default tags to get started, while also allowing custom tags to match your workflow. For this playlist, since it is meant for internal review, I'm gonna add the internal only tag and then the confidential tag. That's it. Now click create playlist. And that's how you create a playlist in ReviewRoom. So stay tuned for more quick guides like this and visit reviewroom.studio to learn more. Bye bye.